What is up, guys? Today's drink is called the Hemingway Breakfast. All right, let's just get into it. So first thing we are gonna need is 50 mils of a white rum, 20 mil lime, 10 mil Falernum, half a bar spoon of orange marmalade, and then 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're gonna give that a good shake. We're gonna give our coupe an absinthe rinse, and we're gonna pour it in there. We're gonna garnish it off with a dehydrated orange. And that is all it is, guys. Pretty simple. It's kind of like a fun daiquiri, I guess, in a way, right? You got your rum, you got your lime, and then you got your sweetener. But this case, sweetener is orange marmalade, which you don't find often in a lot of cocktails. But if you make this one, you'll find out that you should make it more often. It brings it obviously adds, that is the sweetener in a way, right? It adds a little bit of that sugar in there, sweetens it up. As for the ingredients of this cocktail, so it calls for white rum. You can see I used a local white rum. This is actually made out of honey. It is still technically a rum, at least in Canada, technically is a rum. Rum doesn't have very many laws at all, so a lot of things qualify as rum. The only difference really is that this is actually made from honey instead of sugar cane. It's very rare that you're gonna find one of these, but we have it made here locally, and you guys know I like to use my local spirits, so that's why I'm using it. Falernum is the other one that we use, but we don't use it super often. At least I don't use it super often on this channel. It's very, very common to be used in tiki style drinks. Always made using sugar and lime, but typically it is quite common to be flavored with cloves, almonds, cinnamon, ginger, that sort of stuff. So you're gonna get more of a spicy citrus in that. It's really, really nice. I love using this stuff. I've made some pretty nice stir down tropical drinks that I like using that, so I do recommend getting some. It's delicious. This drink wasn't actually a Hemingway drink, okay? This was actually created back in 2016 in Latvia for the Bacardi 2016 competition. Okay, person who made it was Edwards Trofimcooks. There's no way I'm saying that right, but I don't speak Latvian, so I'm very, very sorry, Edwards. As far as the drink goes though, delicious stuff. This is actually really, really enjoyable. The absinthe in it is probably a nod to Hemingway because he likes absinthe in his drinks. Really, really enjoyable though. That orange is very pronounced, the orange marmalade. That is all that I have for you today, guys. Give this one a try. I really like it. Even if you don't like absinthe, this is not it's not an in-your-face absinthe drink. It's very, very subtle in the background, so give it a try. You might enjoy it. If you like what I do here, guys, if you like these videos, please let me know. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll have more every single week. If you have cocktails you want me to do on this channel that I haven't done so far, let me know in the comments. All right, what do you think? But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.